Today we're going to set up comfort access in your new Taycan. You can do so by going to the settings icon, then scroll down to vehicle, scroll down again to vehicle locking systems. Now scroll down. Here you'll have comfort access as a whole. You can turn it on or off here. To operate comfort access, you need the key in your pocket or on your person. With comfort access, you can unlock your door by just reaching in and touching the inside of the handle. You can also lock the vehicle touching the indent on the door handle. You can double tap the door handle to turn off interior monitoring while also locking the vehicle. This is important if you leave the vehicle when a family member, friend, or pet is left inside. You can also use these same two locking mechanisms. One touch on the key fob for the lock button will lock the vehicle, and two touches on the key fob on the lock button will lock the vehicle but turn off interior monitoring. Additionally, you have the option to open your front trunk with a simple hand gesture. Also, you can turn on and off expanded comfort access. When you turn on expanded comfort access, the door handles will open as you approach to the vehicle. Let's go ahead and turn that on. In addition to that, you can turn off or on tailgate comfort opening, and this is where you use a foot gesture to open the trunk of the vehicle. You can also use that same gesture to close the trunk. Here you can see interior monitoring or interior monitoring upon exiting. You can turn on and off both of these features here in the PCM. You can now use the various comfort access features in your new Taycan.